Oh yeah, MACT here, MACT Garage, and I've been busy. Been really busy in the garage doing projects for the wife and for the house and everything else, and even the Ford Edge group. I fixed the wife's little statue thing. It was broke, but that's really not why I'm here. Y'all know the Ford Maverick has come out, and they revealed it, and I've never been one for EVs. Just can't seem to get into that mode, but I have always contemplated, what about a hybrid? I like the idea of a gas engine with electric batteries to help drive it, to get better gas mileage, but yet keep my range, because for me it's all about range. And my wife, she doesn't like to go to the gas station, so I'm thinking, well, gee, the Maverick, she wants a pickup truck. Now the only problem is, I already have a pickup truck, and we know what that truck is. I got this 1997 Ford Ranger. Now, the wife says, much to break my heart, that a vehicle has to go. Now, I have the 2011 Ford Edge, but that's my primary work vehicle. So the secondary vehicle, that's all-wheel drive Toyota Highlander 2005, that really runs pretty good. Nothing I can complain about it. But old Rufus, a little long in the tooth, parts are really hard to get. AC don't work. It's a 5-speed manual, 4-cylinder, but it starts and runs every time. I mean, if you want a reliable vehicle, the Ford Ranger's it. You know, it's not big. I mean, it really is not big. I mean, it's just a single cab. That's all it is. Now, the Maverick is a quad cab. Granted, the bed is shorter. Definitely shorter, because this is, you know, I don't want to say a 6-foot bed or so on this Ford Ranger. Pretty long bed. Definitely a nice little truck. Plus, it can haul more. It hauls pretty good. I've done a little bit of work to it, new tires and all this good stuff. And why am I telling you all this? Because my wife says that this truck, yeah, this one right here, as Rufus as I call it, Rufus is on the chopping block. I don't want to get rid of it. It's paid for. It costs me hardly anything to register it, and even I don't run it that much. It pretty much stays in the garage, and I take it out whenever I got to haul something big. That's about all I drive it for. I'm just hanging on to it. I don't know why. I don't use it that much, and the wife wants a truck. So I asked myself, what do I do? What would you do? Would you sell Rufus? Or would you keep him and buy the Maverick? But that means I have, again, 5 vehicles. And soon to be 3 drivers. Which means I still have to play car roulette with the neighbors. Which, don't always agree with the number of cars I have. So, what do I do? Do I sell Rufus? Do I trade Rufus in? No, we ain't trading Rufus in. I'll sell it first. But I don't even want to sell it. I don't know why. I want to hang on to it, but I don't know why I don't want to sell it. I can't tell you why I don't want to sell it. I just don't want to. It's one of those conundrums. But I rest assured I did get online, and when Ford released it, I built myself what I considered a Maverick. I wanted an XLT, hybrid, front-wheel drive. Wasn't looking for the all-wheel drive because, quite frankly, if I need all-wheel drive, I got a 2019 Ford Edge all-wheel drive and a Toyota Highlander all-wheel drive. If the weather gets that bad that I need something like that, then so be it. But the Maverick would be my wife's daily. For fuel mileage, she only carries really one other person with her. It's rare that we have 4 people in it, and if we did, they would still fit. So, but we wouldn't take it for long trips because, quite frankly, the Edge is so much more comfortable, and the Toyota also can handle more people. So, really, that's the point behind the Maverick. Rufus, we hardly use. I'm the only one in the family can drive Rufus because he's a 5-speed. Yes. Nobody else in the family knows how to drive him. If we got the Maverick, don't know. Everybody can drive the Maverick. So, anyway, I still don't want to sell Rufus. What a conundrum. Anyway, you guys, give me the like. You know, I'm going to put this up to y'all. If I get at least 500 likes on this video, then I'll keep Rufus. Some of you probably dislike it, so I get rid of Rufus. But others of you will probably dislike it because you want to buy Rufus from me. Yeah. But give me the likes. Whatever. Let me know. Let me know how y'all feel in the comments below. They'll be open. Let me know what I should do with this 1997 Ford Ranger XLT rear-wheel drive 4-cylinder 5-speed. A little rough around the edges, but overall body and frame pretty good shape. I fluid filmed the entire undercarriage, so decent shape. Not a bad truck. Only 93,000 miles on it, original. So yeah, that's where I'm at, folks. So I'm putting this out here for the world to see and tell me what you guys think I should do with the upcoming Maverick purchase and Rufus, because Rufus is on the block and I haven't decided yet. I'm still on that proverbial fence post waiting to see which side of the fence I jump on. So anyway, let me know down below. This is MACT Garage. Tell me what you think. Remember, like, subscribe, join, all that good stuff. Facebook, YouTube, MeWe, and let's get this conversation started. Let me know. Oh heck, I forgot to tell you about the Band of One and Mercy girl. She's always got one-liners. Woo! Never forgive me if I forgot her.